The summer months means packed ferry rides to and from the Toronto Islands, but concerns about safety have the federal government questioning whether the city has enough staff supervision on board the boats. Shuttling people back and forth to the Toronto Islands has required a select few to operate the ferries for decades. But Transport Canada's Marine Technical Review Board decided in May that the city didn't have enough staff on board, and the number needed to increase. Last month, the city appealed the decision, and in a document obtained by CityNews argued in many cases the 2023 safe manning documents more than doubled the minimum crew requirements in place prior to August 2023. A look at the number for each of the 5 ferries running show the number of staff before that time and the number now expected if the boat is over 70% capacity.
As soon as the updated safety and staffing requirements reach the city from Transport Canada, the city has taken that very seriously and moved into compliance and has been in compliance every step of the way.
Deputy Mayor Usma Malik says despite the appeal, safety is a top priority, and the city immediately started training students to increase the deckhands and meet the federal requirements. Another statement in the city's appeal, the board's refusal to allow the city's proposal for alternate safe manning levels means that the city is required to hire 63 additional staff with specialized marine safety certifications. Federal Minister of Transport Pablo Rodriguez said safety is also a top priority. And, quote, the ferries need to have the minimal required crews on board to be operating in a safe way. And as soon as the City of Toronto hires the necessary number of staff to meet safety requirements, the full level of ferry service will be able to resume.
Well, always with safety being our first concern when it comes to running ferries and such an important service to Torontonians and to all of us who visit and enjoy the island, that has to be taken into consideration.
Having gone through the training process, the city now claims it has hired the required staff to operate its fleet of ferries for the summer.